Hello and welcome. This is Ritu Singh and we bring you a special story on 72nd Republic Day celebration. Acharya Institute is really glad that all the students have prepared themselves for the event where we get to see a different and unique experience. So let us have a look in the live event with our reporter Shruti Anandan.
On the 72nd Republic Day, Acharya Institute celebrates the event with great honor and respect. The program started with Dr. Manish Paul, the campus director, Acharya Institute, entering the venue accompanied by NCC cadets on jeep. The tricolor was hosted, which symbolizes nationalism and freedom. In his speech, Dr. Manish Paul conveyed the spirit of patriotism and pride of being an Indian. Speaking on the occasion, he said,
This year has been a brilliant program with one theme of equality, especially the gender equality at the national level and at our local level, and you can see a lot of representation from the women participation, and I think the spirit is very much there to become that youth which is going to rebuild the country. And as Acharyans, I think we are doing a brilliant job. Wish you all the very best.
With heads held high, NCC cadets performed Guard of Honor with immense pride. Further in the event, Sanjana from BCom performed a graceful dance.
I would like to tell you that this is the honor for Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies to host this Republic Day. Every year it was our responsibility to organize this Republic Day, and every year we have been witnessing a lot of improvement and a lot of changes in the celebration of Republic Day. And in spite of this pandemic, we never expected that this many participants will be there, and really it was a grand success.
Followed by the diverse cultural events. Later on, Kumuda from BA department delivered a speech on importance of youth driving themselves for better tomorrow. Bullet stunt was the most attractive element of the event. Adding color to the event, NSS students performed a group dance on the evergreen songs.
So we have a huge campus, and also there are students, those who have a lot of skill developments. So what we are giving to the students, and the students are coming forward, and we have Smart India Hackathon, and there are so many other events which has been conducted by AICT. And recently I have seen that we have banned about 106 apps and the mobiles. So we have a brains, but we are selling our brains to different countries. So why don't we have our brains in our own country, and we can develop our own apps.
We are happy to conduct the events frequently, but this time we are conducting very less programs, and with a little span we conducted the events.
शाम को ठीक 5 बजे हम अपने घर के दरवाजे पर खड़े होकर, या बालकनी में, या खिड़कियों के सामने खड़े होकर 5 मिनट तक ऐसे लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करें। और आभार कैसे व्यक्त करेंगे? ताली बजा करके, थाली बजा करके, घंटी बजा करके।
actually constitution is good actually, but people like politicians and other some industrialists and they are all taking undue advantages of our constitutions. According to the Indian constitutions, the concept and principles, particularly the directive principles of the state policy, are very good.
Like every other year, this year also AIGS is celebrating the 72nd Republic Day, and even though Corona has effect has come, still with no degree less, our Republic Day celebrations are going on very well compared to the other years. This time the NSS, NCC and the cultural committee has joined hands together, and they are doing an excellent job, as you can see.
On 72nd Republic Day celebration, Acharya has organized well and very energetic celebration. We have seen participation from all over the AIGS, NSS, NCC students, and the bike stunt, which was very new to Acharya. Shruti Anandan with camera person Vishal Jaiswal. Bangalore.